Ever wondered how to make your coffee table look like it's straight out of a magazine? Well, wonder no more. Today, the secret to a picture-perfect coffee table gets revealed. Think of your coffee table as a blank canvas, ready to showcase your style. First up, select a tray. A tray functions as a stage for your decor. It gathers your items together, preventing them from looking scattered. Choose a tray that contrasts with your table for a pop of color, or stick to a similar shade for a more subtle look. Next, add height. This creates visual interest and breaks up the monotony. Use a stack of hardcover books, pictures books, a tall vase, or even a decorative sculpture. Remember, it's all about balance. A tall item on one side needs a shorter, bulkier item on the other to maintain harmony. Now, it's time to bring in some green. Plants breathe life into any space. A small potted succulent or a fresh floral arrangement adds a touch of nature that is always welcoming. Then, incorporate personal touches. This could be a small, framed photo, a souvenir from a memorable trip, or an artifact that holds sentimental value. These items tell your story and make your space unique. Don't forget to include an element of surprise. This could be an antique find, a quirky piece of art, or an unusual trinket. It stirs curiosity and sparks conversation. The interior design rule of 3 says that things arranged in odd numbers are more appealing, memorable, and effective than even numbers groupings. 3 seems to be the magic number, but depending in your space, 5 or 7 works nicely as well. Lastly, leave some space. A cluttered table can feel overwhelming. Empty space allows the eye to rest and appreciate each piece individually. So now, you have the tray as your stage, height for visual interest, greenery for fresh vibes, personal touches to tell your story, an element of surprise to spark curiosity, and space for a clean, uncluttered look. Think of this as your coffee table decorating formula. You can play around with it, swap pieces in and out, and make it work for any season or occasion. In summary, creating a magazine-worthy coffee table is about balance, personality, and a touch of surprise. It's about creating a tableau that tells your story, sparks conversation, and adds beauty to your everyday life. Remember, there are no strict rules. Feel free to express your style and have fun with it. So, go ahead, give your coffee table a makeover. It might just become your new favorite spot in the house.